Ready to transform your ideas into captivating visuals? On this tutorial with Renderpub Studio, we're here to guide you with adding some greenery to your scene. Let's start now. Hi, what's up? Welcome to our channel. Launch Renderpub Studio and open the project where you want to add foliage. Click on the scatter tool you wish to use in your scene. Renderpub Studio provides spline, paint, and area scatter. First, let's add a layer. Find the objects you wish to scatter in the library, then drag and drop these objects into the layer. You can typically add up to 6 different types of objects in one layer and add as many layers as you require. Make these adjustments as needed. Once you're done adding these objects to the scatter tool, you can create variations in the settings below to make the placement more natural. You can randomize properties such as scale, rotation, and density across the multiple added objects. Note that you can also edit these scatter placements after they have been placed. You can alter the density, scale, and even move the points. Let's check out area scatter and add some grass to our scene. Very similar to spline scatter, you can edit all the properties you would like to before placement. Note that allow overlap is toggled on since that results in better realism. Now onto paint scatter. Since paint scatter places objects with a brush as you click, it is not editable after it has been placed. Users can still avail every other property that is found in the other scatters. Preview and render. Preview your scene to see how the foliage looks, and when you're satisfied, you can proceed to render your scene to create the final image or animation. Remember to save your Renderpub Studio project after adding foliage to preserve your changes. This wraps up our tutorial on mask placement or scatter tools. Thank you for joining us in the journey of rendering your masterpieces.